Hey guys, back at it again with another, like we're doing hand motions here. Another PR haul. It's right behind me. So you guys have seen this makeup look in quite a bit of videos lately. That's because I am pre-filming right now. I'm getting ready to head out of town for a couple days and I just wanted to get as much content as I could film before I left so that way I can upload. I'm shooting for 3 to 4 videos a week for you guys. So make sure to have that notification bell turned on because I'm whipping them out. It's usually like Monday, Tuesdays, Friday, Saturdays. That's like the schedule that I want to keep. So just know those are the main days to always come back. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this PR haul and check out this makeup. Also, if you see anything that I unbox that you want to see a review on, make sure to comment that down below so that way I can put that onto my list and get that done ASAP for you guys. So let's get into it. All right, so my first package is from a brand called Noonie, and I think I have skincare from them, but they also sent over some kisses, which I totally am gonna eat one right now. But they sent over a few different products, and I'm very excited to try these out. So first off, we have an Appleberry lip oil, revitalizing and tinting. Ooh, what is this guy? Ooh, oh my gosh, the packaging is beautiful. It's like a soft glass, frosted glass packaging right there. Really pretty. And then we have other shades too. We have Apple Cocoa right here. And then we have Apple Mint. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited to try those out. I wonder what the wand looks like. There's a stopper. Oh, I love these wands. I've said this multiple times lately because I've been noticing more wands are coming out this way, but it just makes it so easy to apply. So I cannot wait to try those out. And then also they sent over an apple butter lip mask, which is moisturizing and softening, which looks like, oh my God, this thing is big. So it looks like this. Oh, it even comes with a little thingy like that, the scooper, a spatula. There we go. Ooh, this thing looks nice. I don't smell anything though. There's no smell to it, but it looks nice. I'm very excited to try that out as well. This is something that I would keep next to my nightstand and use it at night. Definitely will let you guys know how these work out for me, but those look good. I love it when brands turn chocolate. It's so good. You can get these at Ulta and Urban Outfitters. All right, so I'm a day late on opening this guy. It says open me by 2:14, and this is from Tarte Cosmetics. And you open it up and it says, we love the shit out of you. I love that. And it says, happy Valentine's Day to Madison XO Tarte Cosmetics. Oh, these are their lippy lingeries. First off, we got toilet paper. How cute is that? And I have a ton of their lippy lingeries. So if you've been watching me, you know I love Tarte's lippy lingeries. They're some of my favorite lip products to just throw in my bag and wear throughout the day. They are so comfortable. And oh my God, I needed some more too. I have, I think, like all of these shades, but there are some, I think this one right here, this is Exposed, and I know there's like Exposed and then there's Whisper. These two I wear all the time, so I'm very happy to have a backup of those. Here, I'm gonna show you what Exposed looks like. This is Exposed right there. Beautiful, perfect everyday color. I love it because they're very comfortable on the lips and they're really easy to reapply and just throw in your purse for on the go. So thank you so much to Tarte Cosmetics. There is a common trend and these are like a ton of Valentine's Day gifts. So I got one from Fresh Beauty. It says Happy Valentine's Day. When it's Valentine's Day, we treat ourselves, enjoy the sugary indulgence that's even good for your lips. Love the Fresh family. And then this is what the box looks like. How cute. They have it all wrapped up beautifully. Ah, let me open this up. I love Fresh Beauty. Oh, they put a ton of those little hearts in them. So I'm gonna give those to Joel because he absolutely loves them. And then they sent over their Sugar Punch lip treatment and their Sheer Pink lip treatment. I love their lip treatments. They are so good. And I don't think I have these ones. This one is the Sheer Pink lip one right there. Oh, these are awesome. They are so good. They are kind of pricey, but honestly, they feel amazing on your lips. They have like an original one, which is just clear, but they also have some that are a little bit more tinted. So yeah, definitely recommend those. Thank you so much to Fresh for sending those over. All right, so next up, if you guys have been following me for a really long time, you know ROCKSBOX. I've always talked about ROCKSBOX. I really love their stuff. And they just sent me a little package over. They said, hi Madison, hope you're having a great week. Here is a little something to show we are thinking of you. Here is the first month free code for your family and followers, Madison Squad. So if you guys wanna get your first first one's free. You can use the code Madison Squad. But let me go ahead and show you guys what they sent over. They have some of the best jewelry, and then also you can hold on to it as long as you want and then return it. Like, so let's say you want to return it after a week. You can return after a week, however long you want to hold on to it. And then plus, if you want to end up buying it, it's for sale at a discounted price. And a lot of this jewelry is actually like on Nordstroms.com, but you get it cheaper, which I really like. I love this. They sent over a little tassel, but it is also a charger as well. Look, it's got USB, and Android, and then iPhone. That is so cool. And then they also sent over a pop socket, and then they sent over these cute little tassel earrings. I've noticed that these earrings are really getting back in right now. A lot of people have been wearing it, and I've been getting like a ton of them from like Bauble Bar too. Thank you so much to ROCKSBOX. Again, if you guys want to get your first month free, then just use the code Madison Squad, and I will have that link down below for you guys. All right, so the next package is from Soap & Glory. They sent over little Valentine's Day gifts. So they sent over She's a Natural. This is the day and night face palette. That's what the packaging looks like out on the outside, and that's what it looks like on the inside. So you have 3 shadows, and then you have, it looks like a lip color, and then you got like cream products. Yeah, you have a bronzer, you have some cream products, and then you have your eyeshadows there as well. That color is really pretty. And then they also sent over their Outstanding Lip Contouring Crayons. Ooh, I've never seen these either. Here, I'm really interested in Front Page Nudes. Okay, so this is what their lip contouring crayons look like right here. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, that color is beautiful. And this one is the matte side, so it's a little bit more of a different type of crayon, but dude, those are beautiful. I really like that. And then they also sent over their Peach Pout. These are their completely balmy lipsticks. So they sent over Peach for the Sky and Peach Ball. And then they also sent their metallic matte lip creams. Ooh, we have 3 of those. And then, oh, I forgot another peach pouch. This one is Freedom of Peach right here. So thank you so much to Soap & Glory. If you guys ever wonder where to purchase them at, you can get them at, I think they're at Ulta, but they're also at Target now. I see a huge display in my Target of these now. So definitely go check them out, and thank you so much for the Valentine's Day gift. All right, so next up, I got a package from Too Faced, and this one's really cute. It's the best sex you've had in bed. Oh my goodness. So they sent over 4 full-size Better Than Sex mascaras, and it says, we're giving you a year of great sex in celebration of International Better Than Sex Day, February 10th, if only everything else in your bed was a sure thing. Oh my God. So this is cute though. I like how they did it like a bed and with like the little pillows, but thank you so much to Too Faced for stocking me up on the mascara. So if you watched my Sephora sale haul that I did, you guys would know that they did not send me my Urban Decay lip liner in there. So I emailed them and they were great. They got back to me right away and they mailed this out ASAP. So their customer service was bomb. So thank you so much for that. But I ordered the color Streak. This is a coral shade. I just really love these, and this was on sale for $10. So I was like, heck yes, this is like a great color to have for the spring and the summertime. It is a beautiful hot coral shade. It made me so happy to see that they were so quick and their customer service was amazing to work with. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am beyond ecstatic and so happy right now because I have been wanting to get Urban Decay PR forever. Like, I love their products. I finally got my first PR package from Urban Decay. I am beyond floored, and it's a Valentine's Day gift, which has me even more ecstatic. So let me open it up. Oh my goodness. The first Naked palette, and then they also sent over their lipsticks as well. This just made my whole day. I am ecstatic right now. So you guys, this is like the one palette that I don't have from Urban Decay. Okay, so this is awesome. I remember getting the, what was it? The second one and the third one, and I was obsessed with them. I was so obsessed with them. They were like the hot thing on the market. Everyone was talking about them on YouTube, and I never got the first one. So I am beyond excited. I'm going to be, you know what? I'm gonna use this bad boy today because I have to like go out of town today, and I'm not gonna wear this vibrant makeup. I'm gonna do something a little bit more toned down. So I'm gonna use this palette today. So thank you so much to Urban Decay for sending over the lipsticks and the palette. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm not gonna lie, I wish YouTube was the same that it was a couple years ago. I feel like it's changed so much, and the sad thing is that it just did not change for the better. I feel like it's changed for the worse. But seeing that palette just throws me back to like old YouTube days, and I miss those days. I really miss those days. Now people are doing crazy content, clickbait stuff. Now people only want to see like the most outrageous things done, and I just miss it when it was just like turn on a camera and talk to it and people enjoyed watching it. So yeah, but that was very nostalgic for me right there. So thank you so much, Urban Decay. All right, so this next package, I think it's from L'Oreal because it says Lumi on it. All right, so this is what the inside looks like right there. So many products in here to try. I cannot wait. We have the Glotion, we have the drops, the Shimmerista, the highlighter palettes, which honestly look like almost a little like a dupe for Anastasia Beverly Hills, to be honest. So let me open this one up. I really want to try these out. Definitely looks like a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Wow. Yeah, okay, really excited to try these out. We'll do like a first impressions drugstore video because I have a lot of stuff from drugstore that I still want to use on my channel, so stay tuned for that because that will be coming. I'll probably film that maybe next week or the week after that. Okay, so last but not least, I got a package from CAMILLE BECKMAN, and you guys know I love their products. They sent me over a little Valentine's Day gift. They sent over like cookies and stuff, which they also sent over their lip balm. You guys know I love that lip balm. They sent over 2 bath salts, like 2 packages. I've already used one of them and put the other one, stored it by my bathtub because I love those. I love taking a bath with those things. They just smell so good. And it's just nice to kind of like de-stress, and also they really help your joints. Ooh, they sent over another Persian Rosewater Body Mist, which I love. They also sent over their body cream, which is amazing as well. Honestly, I love their lotions. Their lotions are so good. Ah, yes, we got a complete cleansing gel. I've already almost finished a full one, so that will be in a future empties. And last but not least, my favorite product that they carry, it is their Glisten Hand Therapy. I love their hand moisturizers. They are so good, and again, it's that rose water one. So thank you so much to CAMILLE BECKMAN. Thank you for the Valentine's Day gift and the cookies. Those are delicious, and I already am using the bath salts too. But yes, you guys definitely check out CAMILLE BECKMAN. I swear, it's like great, just like spa products that, you know, if you want to take a nice hot bubble bath, or if you want some cleansing gel, the lotion, everything is so good from there. I highly recommend it. But thank you guys so much for watching this huge PR haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what videos you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video.